welcome to my channel, The Beauty Base Neha Roy. As you can hear it from my voice, I'm so much excited because today finally I'm gonna recreate the look of Monica Geller from Friends. Oh my god, yeah, I'm gonna recreate the look of Courtney Cox as Monica Geller from Friends. So, oh god, I can't explain how excited I am. Actually, Friends is the most popular show of Netflix, and I'm sure most of us love watching Friends, and we have watched it not only once, we have watched it several times. And I love Rachel and Phoebe's character as well, and Joey. Oh my god, I love each and every character of Friends. So if you wanna see the look of Rachel and Phoebe as well, don't forget to comment down below. I will recreate that look as well. So yeah, without much blabbering, let's get to the video. I hope you will enjoy watching. I hope you will enjoy the makeup look I have created today. So yeah, if you do, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.
So as you can see, I have already done my eyebrows, and just now you saw Monica Geller's picture, and in her picture she had thinner eyebrows. So right now I am priming my face. I am using a cream based primer. So this is on a green color. This is actually a green color primer. So now I am using corrector to avoid dark circles under my eyes and some of the pigmentation marks that I have on my face, just to cover that. So after applying this, I'll set it with a loose powder. As you know, I always do that because once you set the corrector with a loose powder, it will not mix with your foundation. So yeah, just for that. So yeah, I have taken the loose powder and I am setting the corrector. So I've taken a liquid foundation, and first I'm applying it with my fingers, and then I'll blend it with the help of a beauty blender. You need to blend your foundation very properly because just to give a seamless effect. So yeah, your blending game should be very good. So after applying the foundation, I'll just give 5 minutes to set, then I'll apply highlighter, and now I'm applying it on my neck as well. So yeah, let it set for 5 minutes, and then now I'm gonna use the highlighter. Actually, this is a concealer, and this is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, so that it will highlight well the high planes of my face. This is also I'm blending with the help of a beauty blender. So yeah, I've done the contour also. Now I'm blending it with a beauty blender. Then after that I realized that brush is better. Yeah. See, in the picture you will be able to see that Monica Geller's face or Courtney Cox's face is very chiseled. I don't have a chiseled face, so that's why I had to create it. So that's why I had to contour. So after blending all those lines, I need to set the concealer with the powder. Then I need to set the contour with a bronzer. First apply the creamy products and then set it with the powder products. So now I'm taking the loose powder and setting it, the concealer. So this is kind of baking to make the contour lines prominent, the shape prominent actually. So right now I have done the bronzer. So let's move to eye makeup. First, to set the base of my eyes, I am taking a light color, light matte color. Then I am taking a lighter brown shade. I have zoomed in so that you can see it properly. You need to contour your eyes to specify the crease line. Actually, it looks good. So yeah, then I will apply the same color in my lower lash line just to blend. So in Monica Geller's look, she has applied a grey color. So today I'm gonna go for a grey smoky. So first I'm applying that grey shimmery color with the help of my fingers. Sorry, I didn't realize that I have gone out of focus in this. Please don't mind. Please bear with me. I was so busy creating that eye look that I didn't notice that I went out of focus. So yeah, I have taken a smudger brush or fluffy brush and I'm blending the harsh lines. And then I'll take a black color, black shade. I have realized that that shade is not good enough, so I have taken another black shade just to smoke out the outer V of my eyes, outer area of my eyes, just to give a smoke out effect. So yeah, again I am taking that same fluffy brush and I am blending the outer edges. So Monica Geller's eyes are full of smudgy look. So yeah, right now I'm applying kajal and then I'll smudge out the kajal as well, because she didn't have any specified kajal line. She had all blended out. I loved that look. So yeah, I'm gonna do the same. So I'm smudging the harsh lines. So then I'll smoke out my lower lash line using the black shadow. And then just to highlight the inner corner, I will take a light matte shade. I'll apply the same shade on my brow bone as well. So I have applied mascara and applying the same shade on my brow bone just to highlight that, because in the picture Monica Geller or Courtney Cox has a very specified brow bone. So right now it's time for blush. You can see she has a very rosy cheeks. So yeah, I have to create that illusion as well. So not only my cheeks, I have applied the blush on my chin, my nose and my forehead as well. So yeah, we'll line our lips first. So I'll line my lips with a brown lip liner first, because in that picture I've seen that she has lined her lips with brown liner. Then she has applied a light pink color lipstick. So I don't have that lightest shade, so I had this very nice pink shade, so I thought of applying this. I'll specify my lines, lip lines. Now it's time for some gloss, I guess, because she had glossy lips and beautiful lips. So yeah.